So as I'm recording this, it's the last bit of 2018, and most of your fragrance counters are probably looking pretty bare. You might be lucky enough to find some things on sale, but keep in mind, there are price increases just around the corner. Hi everybody, 860 Cologne here, the fragrance voice, with some insight on some price increases and some tips to help you save some money. It may surprise some people to know that there are certain times of the year where you are more than likely to see price increases of fragrances. Now, not every fragrance is going to change price, but when they do, it's more than likely in January and July. These dates also coincide with the times that the major retailers do their inventory for the entire store. So this is the reason that most of your fragrance counters are looking pretty bare. They're not going to restock until after the inventory is done. Often the price increase is just $1 or $2, but I have seen increases of $8 to $20 per bottle. It's not just in the designer world. Creed also increases prices, usually the first week of August. So if you really want to pay full retail price for a Creed fragrance, your best bet is to do it in late July at the latest. Strangely enough, the price increases are usually just on single bottles of fragrances and not the full sets. So if you're lucky enough to have a store that still has some fragrance sets available, you might actually be able to get the set for a cheaper price than the bottle by itself of the same exact size. Some stores even have after Christmas specials on certain fragrances, and if you're near a Dillard's or can go to dillards.com, they usually have a sale starting January 1st where many of their fragrance sets are actually 50% off. Not everything, and sometimes this sale has started earlier in the after Christmas season, but these sales sometimes are even available online. So check that out, and be sure on New Year's Day, get up kind of early after being pretty drunk, and you might be able to score some good deals on some fragrance sets. Like I said, not everything is going to have a price increase, so don't panic. And I actually know of one fragrance that has not had a price increase in 9 years. The 10.2 ounce bottle of Mugler Cologne was $89 when I started working for a major retailer 9 years ago, and right now that same exact bottle is $89. So that particular bottle size has not increased. Their other sizes have increased, but 10.2 ounces for $89, that is not a bad deal at all, although it can be gotten for cheaper on certain online sites. Now, I'm just talking about major retailers here and the full retail price. If you're comfortable buying online from a discounter and you know what you're doing, by all means, that's a good way to save some money. But for some of the newer releases that aren't at the discounters, or if you really want to have a safety net of being able to return a fragrance even after you've used a little bit of it, I highly recommend buying from a major retailer. As of right now, I honestly don't know what's going to go up because I haven't seen the actual sheets that tell us the price increases. But if an item does go up on its price, it will go up at all retailers. I have people coming into the store going, oh, this is the same price as it was at Sephora. Yes, because we don't make the prices. The companies decide the prices, and it's the same price everywhere unless there's some sort of strange sale. So like I said, price increases normally happen mid-January and mid-July, somewhere around there. So if you're watching this now, try to get to the stores before anything happens. Ask an associate if they know and if they will tell you when and what the price increases are going to be. So hopefully you've learned a few things that might help you save a few bucks. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions about buying retail, or let us know if you've had any weird pricing stories or great deals. Those are always great to hear about. In the description of this video, I'm going to put a few fragrances that are popular right now and their current prices at the end of 2018. I think it's great to have a reference of what fragrances actually cost back in the day in case you're looking at this video years from now. And if you have any fragrances that you want me to add to the description, comment down below and I'll put those in as well. Hope you have a great 2019. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.